Good morning, children. Welcome back to today's session. In the previous session, what we discussed? We have discussed about the Puru the Brave. Okay, what the four generals are speaking about our army of Puru and our India soldiers, and how Alexander was speaking the greatness of our army of Puru and the soldiers of India. So the last what the generals are saying, how Puri is going to face this fight. We will be going to win or not. So today let us see what happened in the war, who has won the war. So are you ready with the textbooks? Yes, let us start our lesson, and all of you be ready and take your textbook page number 42 and the pencils. Okay, children? Yeah, let us start. So in the page number 42, we can from the first. Okay, let's start. So in the period was what it told. Okay, what is the third general was telling? He was telling. Okay, how he is going? Okay, how Puri is going to face or fight in the battle of Jablun. So let us see how he has fighted, what happened, who has won the victory. Let us see. So let us see. Fourth general. He continued to fight even when others had left the field. I think he killed at last 100 of our men within his sword. So what is saying the fourth man? The first three generals, what is saying? Was saying we may win, okay, or we may defeat the army of Indian army, or we may defeat the Puru. They are saying. But whereas the fourth soldier, he was speaking emphatically, okay, he was what he was saying, okay, we can see, we can think of it when we had a war with the we have heard that when he was defeating his enemies in a war, we can heard that he has killed at least 100 of our men. Okay, when they had fight with the Puru in one of the kingdom, he has killed 100 of men. That's why maybe in the Magadha movie also, how many people, how many men he has Magadha has killed? Okay, 100 people. That's why they direct no. Ukkaru kaadu Sher Khan. So in the dialogue, what happened when the Srihari sent 100 of men, okay, this Magadha has killed them. In the same way, what happened when they had fight against the Puru has killed 100 of men of this Greek, okay, yes, the Puru has killed 100 of men of the Greek people. Who is telling? The 400 telling how he has killed the 100 at least 100 of our men have died in his hands. Then secondly, repeat saying, and injured many more. Repeat saying, not okay. 100 men has died, okay, but and also many have injured. చాలా మందికి కొంతమంది చనిపోవడమే కాకుండానే మరియు చాలా మంది ఎంతో మందికి గాయాలు కూడా తగిలాయని చెప్పి the second row telling. The first one will say he was badly injured himself. Okay, what the fourth person, fourth general and second general, they say the things they had died when we have killed many people and many people injured. But the first person was saying, okay, not only our soldiers, even the Puru was injured. He also tanu kuda manke kaadu tanu kuda debbar gayal tagilani cheppi cheptadu anamata. Then second was saying, that's why you are able to capture him. Okay, being that having a badly injured, when he was being injured, that's why only we have captured him. Otherwise, if he is active and there was no injury to him, we are unable to capture him. మనము తనకు గాయం తగలడం వల్ల దెబ్బ తగలడం తను మనం పట్టుకోగలం, బంధించగలం. లేదంటే తనకి ఎటువంటి గాయం తగలకుండా అతను మనము బంధించేవారం కాదు, బంధించలేకపోయేవారం అని చెప్పి the second row says Alexander, oh, he is a brave man and a great soldier. I wish you were one of my generals. So what is saying? And then Alexander immediately saying, oh, he is very great and also very brave soldier. I wish to have him in my generals. So what is saying? అతను చాలా తెలివివంతుడు మరియు చాలా మంచి సైనికుడు. నాకు అతను మన సైన్యంలో మన యొక్క మంత్రి వర్గంలో ఒకటిగా ఉండడం నాకు అవసరం కావాలి. ఓకే, ఐ విష్ టు నాకు అవసరం. ఓకే, ఐ విష్ టు హ్యావ్. Then what is the second saying? He is a proud man. You your majesty, but saying he is very proud. You will not want to agree with us. He's saying. Then Alexander is saying, a soldier is not a soldier if he is not a proud. What is saying? A soldier is not a soldier if he is not a proud. తనకి గర్వం లేకుండా అతను ఒక సైనికుడే కాదు. ప్రతి ఒక్క సైనికుడికి గర్వము మరియు బలము అనేది కంపల్సరీగా ఉండాలి. I am not angry with him at all. He was not frightened by the news of my victories and refused to bow before me. So what is saying? Okay, I am very happy about him. I am not angry with him at all. Okay, he has not frightened by knowing the news that the victory that I have won, and also he has refused to bow before me. What is saying? నాకు అతని మీద అసలు కోపమే లేదు. ఓకే, అతను నేను పొందిన విజయాల గురించి కానీ ఓకే భయపడలేదు, మరియు నా ముందు వంగడానికి నాకు నమస్కారం చేయడానికి అతను భయపడలేదు. Okay, he is very great. Was saying. Then the first one was saying, he will be brought to your majesty soon. Let's see how he behaves. So what is saying? Okay, in a soon we are going to bring him in front of you. Let us see how he will behave. Okay, then Alexander says, I am sure he will not behave like a coward. So what is saying? Okay, you will not behave like a coward. అతను ఒక పిరికివాడిలాగా నా ముందు ప్రవర్తించడు అని the king Alexander was saying. A soldier entered and bowed to the Alexander. So you can see page number 42. You can see how the kingdom, okay, when the king is ruling, how the ministers will be sitting around. You can see in page number 42. So what happened? One soldier entered in the kingdom, where they have a meeting, and he bowed to the Alexander. Says soldier. The soldier entered saying, Puru, sir, Puru has been brought to the camp. So what is saying immediately? The soldier came, sir, we brought the Puru into our camp. Then the soldier says, has he happened put in the chains? Then the soldier says, yes, your majesty. So Alexander is asking to the soldier, have you put chains to him? Then immediately the soldier says, yes, my lord. Then Alexander says, go and remove the chains and bring him in. I don't want to see a brave man in chains. So then Alexander immediately said, go and remove the chains. I don't want to see a great soldier in the chains. Okay, illi immediate ga aka chains తీసేయండి. Okay, అంత గొప్ప సైనికుడిని చైన్ లో చూడడం నాకు ఇష్టం లేదని చెప్పి the king was telling to the soldier. Then the soldier bowed and goes out. They always, whenever the soldiers entered in front of the king, they used to bow. Okay, for example, how police, when any ministers and how they salute, in same way the soldiers used to have a bow. Alexander, they should not have put him in chains. He is a king beside being a great soldier. Okay, so what is that? Again, Alexander was saying what? He should not be put in the chains. He is a king. He is a king beside being a soldier. He is not a soldier. He is not a great soldier, and also he is also a good king. Who is saying? Alexander is saying. Then Puru enters with the 4 Greek soldiers following him. Alexander and the general stood up to greet him. Puru joins the palms of his hands and praises them with his forehead to tone the greeting. So what happened? When the Puru was coming into the camp to the in front of the King Alexander, and along with the 4 Greek soldiers, the king and the 4 generals, okay, has stood up and they invited him and they greet him. When all greeting him in the same way, the Puru also joined his hands and he also greeted to the king and the generals. That is a respect that the Indian people we give to the other person, to the elders. We respect them with our, okay, showing our 2 hands. We respect them. మన ఇండియన్ కల్చర్ అంటే ఏమిటి? మన పెద్దవారిని లేదా పెద్ద వ్యక్తులని, గౌరవప్రదమైన వ్యక్తులు మనం ఎప్పుడైనా సరే 2 చేతులు ఎత్తి మనం వారిని నమస్కరించి వారిని గౌరవిస్తూ ఉంటాం. Then Alexander to the soldiers, you may go. He said the soldiers may go. Then Alexander, well, how are you, king? To the Puru, he said to the Puru, he said, okay, well, how are you, king? He is saying. Then Puru says, my name is Puru. Then Alexander says, all right, are you sorry for the mistake you have made, Puru? So King Alexander was asking, Have you made mistake? Are you going to say sorry for me the mistake that you have made? You're saying. Then the Puru says, I made no mistake, sir. What is saying? No, I have not made any mistake. Then Alexander says, don't you reject my proposal? Okay, maybe the King Alexander may ask any proposal. He may give maybe any choice or any position to have in his kingdom that maybe Puri has rejected. Then what Puri says? I refuse be your vessel. So, what the Puri says? Yes, I rejected. I don't want to be a slave to you. I don't want to be a vessel. Okay, I don't want to be a slave to you. He said. Then Alexander, do you know that many kings have gladly agreed to me? Okay, gladly agreed to be my vessels. So, do you know that many kings want to be my slaves, be my vessels? What does it mean? A vessel means being like a servant, being like a servant. So many people, many kings want to be my vessels. But Puru says, I know that, and I also know that none of them is Puru. Okay, I know that. Okay, many kings want to be your vessels, but okay, none of them. Okay, many kings want to be your vessels, but I don't want to be a vessel to you. Puru want to. Okay, Puru don't want to be a vessel to you. You are saying. Then first general softly to the second general, he is indeed a very proud man. Was what is telling the first person to second person, second general what they are saying? Story was telling to they both are speaking. Okay, he is very proud. Then Alexander says, don't you realize that you are my prisoner? Okay. Then what Alexander saying? You have been prisoned. Okay. నువ్వు బంధించబడ్డావు. నువ్వు నా యొక్క రాజ్యంలో బంధించబడ్డావు. నీకు ఆ విషయం తెలుసా అని Alexander అడుగుతున్నాడు. Then what Puru is saying? As a king should treat another king. Then what Puru? Okay. Sorry. Then Puru says, I do, but that doesn't make any difference to me. I am still the lawful king of my country. Yes, I am a prisoner in your kingdom, but I am a king to my country. Okay, I am still lawful. Very, నేను ఒక న్యాయపరమైన రాజు నా యొక్క దేశంలో. Okay, and it's make a difference. Okay, it can't make any difference. ఇది నాకు ఎంత ఇది ఇందులో విభేదం ఏమి లేదు. నేను ఒక న్యాయపరమైన రాజు నా యొక్క దేశంలో అని చెప్తున్నాడు. Then Alexander says, how shall I treat you? Okay, నేను నిన్ను ఏ విధంగా గౌరవించాలి, ఆహ్వానించాలి? He was asking who? Alexander. Then Puru says, as a king should treat another king. Okay, వేరే రాజును నువ్వు ఏ విధంగా గౌరవిస్తావు అన్నట్టు కూడా అదే విధంగా గౌరవించండి. దా Puru was telling to the king Alexander. Then Alexander says, Puru, you are a very brave man. I am pleased with you. I want to make friends with you. Will you be my friend to me? Then what happened? I am asking, I have pleased. Okay, I have pleased with you. I am very happy with you. Okay, I want to be a friend. Will you be my friend with me? He is asking. నువ్వు చాలా గొప్ప రాజువి. ఓకే, చాలా తెలివివంతుడివి. ఓకే, నేను నిన్ను అభినందిస్తున్నాను. నువ్వు నాతో స్నేహం చేస్తావా? నువ్వు నా స్నేహితుడిగా ఉంటావా అని ద కింగ్ Alexander was asking. Then Puru says, on one condition, ఒక షరతు మీద నేను నిన్ను అంగీకరిస్తాను. What is the condition? Then what is Alexander asking? What is that condition? He is asking. What is that? ఆ షరతు ఏమిటి? Then Puru says, my kingdom should remain independent and you should treat me as your equal. So they said, my kingdom should be independent and you should treat me as you. Okay, he has treated me as equal to you. Okay, నా యొక్క రాజ్యము ఎప్పుడులాగానే సపరేట్ గా, ఓకే, నీ ఆధీనంలో కాకుండా సపరేట్ గా ఉండాలి, ఇండిపెండెంట్ గా ఉండాలి. మరియు నన్ను కూడా ఒక రాజు వరకు నువ్వు ట్రీట్ చేయాలి. ఒక సర్వెంట్ లాగా కాకుండా నన్ను కూడా ఒక రాజులాగా నువ్వు ట్రీట్ చేయాలని Puru was telling to Alexander. Then Alexander, I agree. Okay, after some time, yes, I agree. I am proud of your friendship, my brother. Immediately, he was agreeing and very happily. Being a very, very clever and good person, having a friend, we are very happy to have. The same way, Alexander felt very happy. He said, okay, I am proud of your friendship, my brother. So, the friendship became a relation. Friends become a relation of a brother. And Puru immediately says, I do my best to be worthy of the friendship of Alexander the Great. What is saying? I'll give my best as a friendship with the great King Alexander. Okay? Okay? నా యొక్క స్నేహానికి నేను తగ్గ న్యాయం చేస్తాను. అలెగ్జాండర్ కు మంచి స్నేహితుడిగా నేను ఉంటానని చెప్పి he was telling. So the battle of Jabulum, what happened? Okay? Yeah, King Puru the brave has killed more than 100 people and many people are injured. But when he was injured badly and the soldiers of Greek they prisoned the Puru and he was not felt any cowardness. He was not afraid about the King Alexander. Even he has known about the King Alexander. He was not felt afraid and he showed his greatness and also not only showing his greatness and he has spoke very boldly in front of the King Alexander and even the king has given an opportunity to be my slave. He has refused it. He said, I won't be your vessel. And at the last, the Alexander understand the value and the braveness of the Puru and both became a good friends, okay, in their lifetime and they both became a good person and great kings and till immediately the generals bow to the Alexander the Puru. Okay, after they observing, they speaking the conversation, the four generals known, they have understood their both values and they have bowed to the great king Alexander and to the brave the king brave, the Puru the brave. So this is a small war. War. So in this war what happened? Many people died and many people are badly injured. So and King Alexander want to conquer Puru's kingdom. But what the Puru says in the brave way, don't want to be a slave. I want to be equal to you. I want to be like you. And at the end, they became a good friends. Good friends always will make a good relationship. So this is a small story or war conversation about the Puru and the Alexander. So I hope you understood about the Puru, the brave, how brave and clever our Puru the king. So there are 5 vocabularies are there. Write the vocabulary and also there are few questions are there. So write first 6 questions. Write first 6 questions. 1 to 6 questions and write the glossary. That is your homework. Okay, children. Many of you have. I am telling write neatly. Many of you are still not showing interest when you write. Please try to show interest when you write and write well and do your homeworks well. And many of you still not doing your homeworks regularly and try to do your homeworks regularly. And still if you are not having test books and notebooks, please collect and buy them as soon as possible because we are running our classes. If you miss the classes, we can't get again. Okay, children. So today's homework is learn the glossary and there are 6 questions in the reading. Write the 6 questions. Okay, children. Thank you.